Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing the shortest toy review on YouTube. Actually, this is my first toy review on Mario. There are a lot of amazing things you can do with this plush, like drive a car, or toast bread at this point. You know what they say, all toasters toast. I forgot to plug in my toaster. Back to my toy review. The Mario plush is amazing. I recommend you check it out. I also recommend that you check out the Super Mario video games. They are the best video games on Nintendo. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you all. Have a wonderful weekend.